So you want to start a quality YouTube channel. Not just any channel. You want to change lives or express your talents to a worldwide audience. You found the right video and the right channel. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to start a quality YouTube channel. Everything you need to know and more. So relax, subscribe. You are now part of the Vibe Tribe. On today's episode, I'm just helping you guys out with how to start a quality YouTube channel. Sharing videos online can help you find your target demographic, connecting with existing customers, or expand your career by creating relevant content for your industry. See, many individuals and organizations start YouTube channels to grow their businesses and build a loyal audience. Understanding the process you might undergo to start your channel could help you begin creating content and finding your audience. See, there's a lot of benefits in creating a YouTube channel. It provides you with several advantages, such as allowing you to create more content. See, just starting a YouTube channel gives your audience access to more of your content. If you already use video marketing in your marketing strategy, a YouTube channel gives you a centralized location to post advertisements, informational content, and entertainment videos. It could also encourage your team to make more video content so you can establish a consistent audience and follow a content calendar. See, one of the first things you want to do is attract more traffic. Having a YouTube channel can give a brand or a business an extra source of traffic. For example, if you have a traveling blog, starting a YouTube channel under the same name can help increase your brand exposure and encourage viewers to pursue your blog website. Now, depending on the type of content you make, you can use YouTube to establish yourself or a business as an authority in your field. For example, if you work for a wealth management firm, making regular videos about investment strategies and money tips may help you grow your reputation and increase interest in your services. Now, when it comes time to add in a source revenue, starting a YouTube channel can give you another source of revenue. This may be beneficial, especially if you're hoping to start a business as a self-employed digital content creator. There are plenty of ways to monetize your YouTube content. Like, for example, making sponsored videos. You can also include ads on your videos, joining your YouTube partner program, and providing paid video courses. You can also use affiliate links just to make more money outside of YouTube. But I would say to stick to the programs at YouTube, like the YouTube partner program. It really helps out for YouTube content creators. Now, whether you're starting a personal YouTube channel or one for a business, it's a fairly simple process. To create a YouTube channel, you need to create a Google account. Use the following steps to set up your Google account and start your YouTube channel. Number 1, go to YouTube's website. Open up the internet browser and visit www.youtube.com. You can do this on a computer, laptop, tablet, or mobile device. Once you're on the YouTube homepage, click Sign In near the top right corner of your screen. Number 2, log in to create your Google account. Now, a Google account is required to start a YouTube channel. If you have one already, enter your credentials. Otherwise, click Create an Account and fill in the required fields. Along with entering your first and last name, you can also choose a Google username, then create a password and enter some personal information. If you're creating a YouTube channel for a business, use a professional email that all relevant parties can access rather than a personal email address. Select your location and read the terms of services. I'll say that again. Select your location and read the terms of service. Then you can select next step to continue creating your account. Number 3, refine your Google account profile. See, to customize your profile, upload an optional profile photo. A profile photo is optional, but having one can help increase your brand awareness and help your customers identify you on the video sharing platform. Consider using a headshot, a photo of your team, or high quality logo. To add to the photo, click Add Profile Photo, then click Next Step. Once you're done, navigate back to YouTube. Now you can also skip ahead to step 6 if you already have a Google account set up. Number 5, verify your email address. In a few minutes, check your inbox for 2 emails from Google. One email prompts you to verify your email address. Click the link in the email to verify your email address. The other email gives you details on your new Google account. Keep this email for reference. Once you set up your account, go to the YouTube website and sign in using your new Google account information. Number 6, create your YouTube channel. If you want to make a YouTube channel that only can access, click your profile picture and then My Channel, which brings up the Create Your YouTube Channel screen. You can then confirm details on your account and finalize the channel. Now for a business channel that multiple users can operate, navigate the channel list and select Create a Channel. You can link this channel to your existing brand account or prompt your YouTube to create a brand account for you. Select Edit to customize your YouTube channel. Here, you can review the information that the public will see when visiting your channel. You can add another channel manager if you plan to share the account with colleagues. Number 7, customize your channel. You can further customize your account by clicking Customize Channel. This opens a YouTube Studio where you can upload a channel trailer or choose a featured video that subscribers automatically see. You can also set up a description and add your contact information so viewers can send you messages. Number 8, start uploading videos. Finish creating your YouTube channel by clicking OK. I'm ready to continue. Now you can start uploading videos to your account.